I'm Dr. Matt Novak with Southlake Plastic Surgery. I got into aesthetic plastic surgery because everyone wants to look and feel their best, and helping patients to do that and put their best foot forward is so gratifying. So I was born and raised in Grapevine, Texas, went to high school in Colleyville, and then went to Texas State University where I was an NCAA athlete and graduated at the top of my class. I went on to go to medical school in Houston at the University of Texas Health Science Center in Houston, or now McGovern Medical School. I did my plastic surgery residency, a 6-year plastic surgery residency at Baylor Scott & White Hospital in Temple, Texas. And then I came to Dallas, where I did a 1-year aesthetic surgery fellowship at the renowned Dallas Plastic Surgery Institute. Growing up in Grapevine and being a big family guy, I knew that I wanted to come back to the mid-cities. And so when I came across the opportunity with Southlake Plastic Surgery, it really was a dream come true. In my free time, I like to spend time with my family. I've got 2 young boys. I've also got a beautiful wife who's a pediatrician. And I also like to go running and try to run a marathon or 2 every year. Otherwise, I just enjoy spending time with my family and getting together with some friends that live around the Metroplex. People want to be able to feel comfortable in their own skin, and being able to help patients do that through a variety of plastic surgery procedures is something that I find extremely gratifying. And to see some of my patients' success stories is what keeps me motivated to continue to help patients in their surgical journey. I'm so excited to be back so close to home and join Southlake Plastic Surgery, which is such a phenomenal and well-respected practice, and I look forward to meeting you soon.